Welcome here. So today I'm just going to show you how you can easily draw an Olympics logo using Python Turtle. So if you don't have Turtle installed, please do install it. It's just a pip install and you'll be good to go. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first and foremost, let's import Turtle as T. Shall import it as T. Then we create a function, and this function, what you're going to call, basically the 5 rings. And these 5 rings, if you look at them, three of them are actually three of them are on top, and that's blue, black, red, and yellow, green that down, but are all intertwined together. The two are connecting, the yellow and green are connecting the other top rings. So let's create a function, we call it maybe draw ring. Then this will take in color, X and Y positions, basically to position those rings. And then let's get started. So what we need to do right now is basically call a turtle function to actually start the drawing. So we could start with maybe T pen up, then give it color, and this will take in this will take in the color of variable that we've defined up there. Then we shall also have we shall now start drawing by using the go to, which helps us go to the positions XY that we shall define. Then we can also now do a pen down, then we draw a circle. So basically we put our pen down, then we draw a circle, and this circle is going to be of a radius 50. Let's give it a radius of 50, and now let's get started. So I don't know, it's showing with an error here, but ignore that. Usually just VS Code, unless if you run it and you get some errors. So let me just do a T dot speed, then we shall give it a speed of 5. Then the width, we can reduce that speed if you, we can even increase it. So let's give it a width of maybe also maybe 5. Then we can call our drawing function. So our drawing function is basically going to be draw. So here we shall be putting the colors in the different positions. So draw ring, the first ring is blue. So since it is blue, we shall just do this blue. Then we shall give, I've already figured out the positions. So we shall use -130 for the X position, and maybe a 0 for the Y position. Then we draw now the black one. So the black one will have maybe a 0 and a 0 position. That's just after the blue. Then we shall have let me just copy and paste all this. Since for the other three colors. So here we shall have, the next one will be red. So let me just do red here. Then here we shall have a yellow down, yellow will be down. Then we shall have green just besides yellow. Then now the positions here matter. So the one -30, the red becomes +130. Then the yellow is just down, so here you can use negative indexing, negative positioning. So we shall just do this maybe to -60. Then we do this maybe to negative let's do this to -50. Then we can do this maybe to -70, and do this to -70 to +70, since it's just after yellow. Then this is -50 since it's still down. Then I think we are good to go. We can now maybe just hide a turtle. This is basically Turtle.hide or it's hide.turtle, I think. Just do this. Hide turtle. Is this a spelling of turtle? This is not t.hide turtle. Okay, then we can actually finish. So let's try running test this out. So if you're new here, please subscribe to Afroboy if you love what I'm doing. Thank you so much. So I already created a file, so we have an error here. It's showing us that there's an error function. So let's just go up and see what's wrong. Oops, sorry, I forgot actually to put that def here. Yeah, I think that's why it was showing this. Sorry, it should be good right now. So let's just run it. Then we are getting some output, and then it automatically exited. Pen, did you mean pen? So we have an error. So this is supposed to be pen up. That's supposed to be pen up. Pen down. Yes, okay. Let's try running again. Yep, have some output. Yo. And if you look at this position, you see that there's too much space in here. This space, the logo doesn't have too much space. Maybe we could just come here on 0. Let's just add a 5. Then we do this also a 5, and then also 5. Let's try running this, and now we'll see. Let me just first close this. And we run. Well, there's still some space, which is still big. So let's try putting this at 0. Okay, I think there's still some space, but the idea is simple. You just have to keep playing around the variables, these positions, so that you can actually reduce the space. Maybe if you could try, let's try 135. Let's try 135 here, and we'll try 135 here. Let's see what it gives us. Well, there's still some space. So just figure it out on your own. I hope you've enjoyed this video, but this gives an overview of what you can actually do with the Python Turtle graphics. Thank you. See you in the next video.